Our experience in assembling sales support materials spans 20 years, starting as an emergency PPSM service for an international corporation. During this time, we have completed hundreds of projects for both large and small companies in Poland. These included rebranding banks, insurance institutions, or constructing trade displays and assembling equipment that aids in communicating with the consumer both passively and actively. We continuously operate throughout the entire country, where every day dozens of installation teams under our supervision install equipment components in sales points and build exhibition stands at conferences and industry events. We know how important it is for all POS materials to be installed professionally and on time. We are the first-choice business partner for many companies in the medical and FMCG sector. Importantly, our installation services are tailor-made, which means we can adapt to the specific needs of clients. We are confident that our installations are not only functional, but also aesthetic and tailored to the requirements of a specific project. However, our teams do not perform typical construction work. We focus on assembling elements that we call PPSMs in the industry, meaning promotional point-of-sale materials. They give our clients an advantage in the never-ending battle for consumer choice. Let's remember, each project is individually priced and tailored to the scale and complexity of the task.
Our installation teams are experienced professionals who perform their work with the utmost care. Over the years, we have built lasting relationships with clients, and each project is a priority for us. The vast majority of our projects are collaborations that have lasted for years, and our clients trust us to take care of every detail. Each installation is meticulously planned, and we place great emphasis on timeliness and quality of execution. Thanks to our extensive team operating in various regions of Poland, we can ensure quick project completion even in the most demanding locations. Additionally, we offer full reporting after each installation, allowing our clients to continuously monitor the progress and effectiveness of the actions taken.